can see the ladder. Oh my God! Did that really just happen? Oh, Jesus Christ. I wish we filmed that. Okay, let's get back on the ground before I actually pee myself. Yeah. Okay, take two. I'm not sure. How do we get down? Please tell me there's a way to get down.
There's nothing on the pole I can get a good foothold on. Oh no. Must be something.
I don't have a signal.
I don't get it either.
I'm sure there's something. I'm sure it's just really spotty up here. No, we're too freaking high. There's no signal up here.
Okay. Freaking out is not gonna help anything right now, so just take a breath.
You're stuck on a pizza-sized platform in the middle of nowhere, Hunter.
Freaking out is not gonna help anything. It's not gonna help, okay? It's okay. I'm sure we can.
Wait, Hunter. Look at this.
Oh my God.